everybody, my name is Sarah Nurse and I'm a beauty vlogger. I'm here with Redken today to show you how to do a simple modern ponytail. It looks like a braid, but it's actually not. It is so easy to do and I absolutely love this hairstyle for summer. So let's get started. The first step is to put your hair into a high ponytail and secure it with an elastic. I'm just using one that is a blonde color similar to my hair. Once you have your ponytail done, to start you want to prep your hair with windblown to create some texture. The next step is to divide your ponytail into two sections. So separate, bring it underneath and secure. So at this point, it's much easier for me to continue facing forward, so I'm going to continue what I was doing in the back, simply taking that top section, separating it into two, and bringing it underneath that middle section and securing it with an elastic. You just want to make sure that your elastics are lined up in a straight line. So separate, bring it underneath, and secure. Now that I've finished the braid, I'm going to use Mess Around 10 to separate and add volume. So I'm just pulling on each individual loop to add some volume to the braid. And to finish, I'm going to use Fashion Work 12. So that is it. I absolutely love this hairstyle because it is so much easier to do than it looks. It looks complicated, but as you saw, it is super easy and it's perfect for summer.